I'm very excited about this new track piece. Have a look at that. This is a final design, and there's the other one. Can you guess what it's going to be? Have you got it yet? Have you got it yet? It is this. Check this out. This is a single lane return. So you might have your track that comes down and the finish line's here somewhere, and so instead of the cars going off into, you know, Neverland, they can come down past the finish line into this 180 and it will bring them back up to the finish line. You could have two of these alongside of each other. This one here is just a prototype at the moment. I just made a smaller version, and as you can see in front of me, this is the beginnings of the final product. You can see the size of this. These plates are around about 200 by 240 or something like that. So it's quite a sizable piece. So how about that? So you could have you know, your dual lane coming here. Both cars come down the finish line, and they'll come in, do a 180 and flip around. Unbelievable. Fingers crossed that this will be available in the next 24 hours. So it's a very smart looking piece. It will be in two pieces. So there'll be this entry piece and then the circle, and it's just joined with connectors. And of course, with all of my parts, just a little bit of tape on the bottom end, and that just holds everything together. But a very smart looking prototype, and it works really well. I've just made it a bit bigger. So yeah, can't wait till it's finished. We have 6.5 hours on this one, 7 hours on that. Wow, so excited. Look at that. Oh, she's gonna be a ripper. All right, I hope you're going well, and I hope your racing is also going really well. Catch you later.